Hello and welcome to our grow tent. First, I'll explain all the equipment we have here helping to grow all of our plants. We have a 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet Mylar grow tent. It also has a waterproof bottom which allows us to add water and increase the humidity in the air. This is very important since we're in the middle of a Canadian winter with very dry air. Now we'll move on to the lights. We have two fluorescent light bulbs here, which in combination with the two LED lights provides a better light spectrum. Now Brandon, I'll pass it on to you so you can explain the details of the LED lights.
These 90 watt units only suck 90 watts of power, and they have the output same as a 400 watt to 600 watt HPS. There is red and blue lights, which are the exact spectrums that the plants need. 630 nanometers for the red and 420 for the blue. We have two of these. They each have cooling fans to keep the unit nice and cool, even though already when I touch it, I can hold it there all day. It's very cool. Not hot at all.
Alright, so now I'll explain all the plants we have here. We have a Sweet 100 clone tomato plant. I'll go over the details of the cloning process just after I explain all of the different plants we have. So this is a Sweet 100 tomato plant. We also have a Brandywine tomato plant. And these are our Ace peppers, which is a hybrid. We also have our Black Beauty eggplants, which are right here and among the group. Over here, under our other LED, you're going to notice the trellis of strings that we have developed. This is so our beans can trellis up the strings. Now, as you see, they look kind of funny right now. That's because we just transplanted them today, only a few hours ago. So the leaves have still yet to adjust to make sure they're in the proper angle. And just right next to it, you're going to notice a dwarf lemon tree. This tree is a couple years old. It's been moved in and out of doors. This is going to be the first winter that it'll be inside a Mylar grow tent with LED technology. Hopefully we have great success, and so far we have demonstrated this thus far with all new growth, lots of flowering, which is really creating a great scent inside the grow tent. And now I'll go back to the tomatoes and talk about how we cloned our Sweet 100s. So as you see here, this plant, and this plant are all clones from our garden outside. Now, to get a clone, what you're going to look for is a sucker. So to determine what is a sucker, you're going to look for the main stem, and then you're going to look for a branch. Now you're going to notice this branch is all one-sided, as are most branches. This is a prime example of what not to take. You want to take a sucker. So that's a shoot that goes between the main stem and a branch. Now this one's a little bit small. I'd wait another week to increase size. And then what you can do is you can cut it off with some scissors and then take a knife, a very sharp knife, and cut it on a 45-degree angle. After that, we recommend putting in very moist soil, almost like a soup-like formation. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you should have a great clone. Now, we like to recommend to keep it out of any extreme heats. Cooler temperatures are better. It prevents the plant from wilting. Aside from that, we hope to update you in the future on all the plant's growth. And until then, thank you for listening, and goodbye.